Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add a YouTube link to Instagram bio updated guide. So the first thing that we need to do is to head onto the YouTube video that you want to share onto your Instagram bio. To go ahead and get the link for that one, click onto the three dots here, onto its corner, and click on share. There you should be able to find an option to copy the link. So just copy that one out, close the YouTube app, and head to Instagram. So once you're already onto the Instagram account, just make sure that you're currently logged in onto the right account. Click onto your profile icon here onto the bottom part and click on edit profile. Right after, you should be able to find and add links in there. Click onto that and add an external link. So paste in the link here under the URL section and add in a title. So you could add the title of the YouTube video in here, or you could just add YouTube link. Click on done. And right after, you should be able to see that one added already onto your bio. So if you click onto that, you'll get redirected onto the YouTube video that you shared. And that is how easy you could go ahead and add a YouTube link to your Instagram bio. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.